Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Vornex Practice Butterfly Trainer. This butterfly trainer is useful for learning how to use the real thing without all the cuts and bruising to the hands. The unsharpened blade of our Practice Butterfly Trainer will keep you away from danger as a beginner. This is a perfect weight balance of the butterfly trainer, 6 ounces, a perfect center of mass to make sure you can flip it smoothly. Unlike the normal butterfly trainer, we use enhanced 404 stainless steel and enhanced screws to make sure it can last long till you get the hang of it and are able to move on to the real thing. This Practice Butterfly Trainer is perfect for learning how to use the real thing without all the cuts and bruising to the hands. Flip with fun, the trainer is so easy to use and provides hours of safe flipping fun. Dull Butterfly Trainer is the good choice for intermediate users. Ergonomic, highly polished handle. Suitable for a variety of fancy action. This is a good product if you are a butterfly trainer lover. Our second best butterfly knife is Marcolo Butterfly Knife. The Marcolo is an ultra-premium, competition-ready butterfly knife. The Marcolo is constructed using a single billet of titanium for its handles. This provides incredibly high durability and strength. The recurved drop point blade helps keep the weight towards the blade's tip for even faster and more controlled flipping. A big reason that the Marcolo is competition ready has a lot to do with the precise construction and thrust bearing washers that provide incredibly smooth flipping action right out of the box. Benchmade also provides their life sharp maintenance to keep all your Benchmade knives wickedly sharp. Third pick in our list is Grand Way Butterfly Trainer. This butterfly training provides excellent corrosion resistance, high durability, high quality butterfly knife. Red Folding Butterfly Trainer is fully made of 420 stainless steel. Butterfly will enhance your flipping skills while everyday practicing. Cool Pocket Butterfly. Butterfly Not Sharp, training butterfly knives, Balisong Not Real Blade. Skeleton Construction Blade Butterfly Trick Weight Reducing Cutouts improve the balanced movements when twirling this Balisong trainer. Butterfly Trainer CSGO. Not Real Butterfly will help you practice and improve your skills without any cuts and injuries. Perfect Butterfly Not Real Blade. The best butterfly not real blade. Instruction to loose/tighten your balisong. Open the latch located on the bottom of the butterfly knife, hold the handle and tighten the pivot screw using a suitable screwdriver. Repeat the process for the other handle. Ensure that the handles aren't over tightened. Perfect butterfly training is suitable for beginners and teens. Butterfly practice blade is safe and easy to use. The trainer can't be sharpened due to its design. Number 4 in our side is Topcom Butterfly Trainer. The Topcom is arguably one of the best butterfly knives to ever hit the market. The Lucha was the first Balisong knife from Topcom and quickly rose to the top. You get a better butterfly for the quality of materials, performance, and price. Constructed with KVT ball bearings, it offers smooth, fast, and reliable flipping action that will keep you entertained for hours. The latch design doesn't just make this a fun knife but a practical one at that. Whether a seasoned user or a beginner, the Lucha is offered in a trainer model that is constructed with a dull skeletonized blade. Number 5 in our top 5 best butterfly knife list is Grandway Butterfly Knife. Butterfly trainer is made of quality and durable 420 stainless steel, all the construction is made of metal. This is not real butterfly not shop, no offensive blade. Everyday use skeleton balisong trainer tool is simple, lightweight, easy to handle and use, accessible and safe, suitable for beginners and teenagers. Instruction to loose tighten your balisong. Open the latch located on the bottom of the butterfly, hold the handle and tighten the pivot screw using a suitable screwdriver. Repeat the process for the other handle. Ensure that the handles aren't over tightened. Perfect butterfly training is suitable for beginners and teens. Butterfly practice blade is safe and easy to use. The trainer can't be sharpened due to its design. Safe blunt and dull blade trainer ensures practice without any cuts or injuries. This tool will help you understand how it all works, and it will also keep your hands safe. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.